And welcome to another video of Type with me. In this video I want to discuss Of course you all know console.log to log something to your console, right? But you can do much more. And in this video we will dive into what is possible with console. A great reference for that is of course MDN, the web docs of the internet, where you find all the methods here, right? But let's dive into all these methods and just perform them. Of course, we all know this one, console.log, right? Can of course do .warn, and we can do the .error. If you want to clear the console, we can do it with console.clear. Another great thing to do is console.count. And then we need to provide a label. Something, for example. Now we have 1 for something, now we have 2 for something, and now we have 3 for something. You can very easily reset your counter with count reset something, and then it will be reset, right? When we now do count something, it's 1 again. When we want to have more information about our memory, we can do console.memory, and we get an object back, memory info, where we have JavaScript heap size limit, total JavaScript heap size, and used JavaScript heap size. Another great method within console is console.assert. Then you need to provide a condition, right? If something, for example, a is equals, or we can say, for example, string a needs to be equals a. The string a is equal. That's not the case. But when we, for example, do here a statement or condition that's true, so when we have our condition and our condition is false, you will see that the assertion failed and the string a is equal is not the case. So if we go here and we say instead of this, it's this, we get assertion failed, the string a is, and then of course we need to say not equal, which is a better message, right? But you got a point. We can do an assertion, and when the assertion is not met, we just log something into our console. Another great new thing in console is console.table. So when we do console.table with an array, you'll see that we get the following result, which is also great to get more visualization of tables within your console, right? Another great thing is console.dir, which provides you with the possibility to go through a certain object, right? Another great one is console.time. You say, for example, type with me, and now the timer starts to run like a stopwatch, right? And when we want to end it, we need to do console.time end, and we see how much milliseconds our code was running, right? So you can see when we want to measure certain amount of time or how long a certain piece of code needs, we can use console.time. A really great method to use, and not a lot of people know that, so I hope that now you can use other things instead of console.log within your application to get better logging in your console. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can do something with it in your applications. I hope to see you soon. Bye.